Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about something that is very near and dear to my heart, and that is essential oils. Essential oils are essential to life. Okay, we're gonna jump into that a little bit more, but these are 7 essential oils that you need in your life and in your self-care routine, because self-care is very important, and aromatherapy is a great way to just pamper yourself for 45 minutes to 3 hours. If you like this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me what else you guys would like to see from me and I will make it happen. Also, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another upload ever again, because I upload videos every single day and you don't want to miss out on that content. So without further ado, let's jump in to this video. So, essential oils, what are they? How do you use them? And why do you need them? So basically, essential oils are made from certain natural ingredients, and they're used for aromatherapy, which is basically just smelling stuff. Just, have you ever walked past an In-N-Out, okay, or any, your favorite restaurant, just walked past your favorite restaurant and smelled the food that's being prepared, and you just sat there or stood there and just let it waft over you? Have you ever done that? You should do that, because it's literally one of the most satisfying things I have ever experienced. That is aromatherapy. Okay, and you can do it with pretty much anything. Like I said, like with food, it's pretty much the same thing. But doing it with essential oils is just, it's magical, especially because you can create your own oil blends. You can find your favorite fragrance. Like, I love vanilla and vanilla essential oil, and I'll burn it, or I'll even take a little bit and put it on right here on my wrist, rub it together, kind of like a perfume. But you want to be careful doing that, because if you have really sensitive skin like I do, because the oil is so potent, it might break you out or give you a rash. So you want to be careful doing that. I shouldn't do it, but I do it anyway. But yeah, there's so many different ways you can use it. You can burn it in a oil burner. You can just put it in a little a plastic cup and just sit the cup in your room, which is what I did before I had an oil burner. I would just sit it in my room, and eventually the smell would take care of the rest. So today I'm going to give you guys 7 oils that everyone should have in their life. The first one is lemon essential oil. Lemon essential oil is so great for just purifying a room. Because have you ever smelled a lemon? It's a very crisp scent. And imagine a whole room smelling like that. It kind of it re-energizes the atmosphere. And it's hard to be mad when you're in a room that smells like lemon. Try it. It's really difficult to stay mad if you're constantly smelling lemon. So I like to use it when my boyfriend and I get into fights. I'll burn some lemon essential oil and he'll just be like, why was I upset? I'm just like, I don't know. No idea. The second essential oil is lavender. Oh my god, I love lavender essential oils. And it's really good for helping with anxiety. Running a YouTube channel, running 2 blogs, having a full-time job, living with a member of the opposite sex, it's a lot of work, okay? So I will take any anxiety reducing thing that I can, and lavender essential oil is so great for that. It calms you, and it's a relaxing scent, and I think it's absolutely essential. The third oil that I love is peppermint. Let's just forget the fact that peppermint smells like Christmas, but it's also really good for helping with allergies. So if you're one of those people who step outside and there's pollen in the air and you just immediately, like, your throat closes up and your sinuses get all backed up, peppermint essential oils is so helpful, especially for clearing up sinuses. I promise you, if you like take a pot of boiling water, yeah, put some peppermint essential oil drops in it, get a towel, put your face over the steam of the boiling water and like cover your head with the towel and just breathe in the steam, breathe in the oil, and your sinuses will clear right up. I promise you that. The next oil is frankincense, and this one unfortunately is not as popular as the other ones that I mentioned, but it's also good for helping with stress, helping with anxiety. I have ground incense, frankincense. I have ground frankincense that I will burn when I'm meditating or, you know, praying or anything like that. So I don't use the frankincense essential oil as much as I do the actual incense, but that is also very good for reducing stress and reducing anxiety. The next oil is eucalyptus oil, and eucalyptus oil is really good for treating colds and flu symptoms, like any aches and pains. If you have a sore throat, eucalyptus oil is really, really good for that. So you can burn it, again, you can burn it and breathe it in. You can do the boiling water trick that I just mentioned. Either will work really, really well, but if I ever get sick, and I don't get sick very often, I always make sure that I burn some eucalyptus oil because it just clears me right up. This next oil is just amazing. Chamomile essential oil. I love chamomile, okay? It is so good. I used to have really, really bad insomnia and I would not be able to sleep, and that's how I started like drinking NyQuil every night before I went to bed, and eventually it got to the point where I couldn't sleep without drinking NyQuil. Thankfully that point passed, but I still had insomnia, so I started using chamomile tea, drinking it before bed, and burning some chamomile essential oil while I was drinking my chamomile tea. Literally, after I finished my tea, I would be so tired and I would just knock right out. Thank God, because literally it's hard being a high school student and not being able to get any sleep. Like, can you imagine that? So yes, chamomile tea and oil, very good for sleeping. The last essential oil that I'm going to mention is sweet orange essential oil. This kind of has a dual purpose. It's an antidepressant, which is great. It's also an aphrodisiac, which is also great. You do not have to use it for both. You could just use it for one. It works very well at combating depression just because it's such a strong scent. And you know, if other things happen, then they happen, but you know. Personally, I've never actually experienced the aphrodisiac effect, but I have heard that it is what it is. So you guys, that is it for this video. I hope that this cleared up some confusion you might have had about essential oils and how to use them. If you're looking into if you're looking into trying to get started with essential oils, I hope this was helpful for you. If you guys like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments, because I actually know a lot about this stuff. So if you want more essential oil videos specifically, then let me know in the comments and I will make more of them. If you have not already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another video ever again, because I do upload videos every single day and you don't want to miss it. So thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow with my next video. Bye.